A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. ए अल्लाह मेरे इल्म में फरमा. O Allah, increase my knowledge. And you remember this dua, the one who makes you intelligent? Rabbi shali sadri wayassirli amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ameen. Allah Ta'ala, make me intelligent. All right. So Manha Rahman is ready to tell us what has she brought. Manha, are you ready? Only one thing, Manha. Let's start. We don't have time.
It's the whole house.
All right. Let's start. You have 20 seconds. Come on.
Okay. I have a house. And there's also a bathroom up here. I have an elevator at the back. I don't think.
All right. Is it a Lego?
I don't think you can see the elevator.
You made a Lego
house. And there's the kitchen. A lot of things in the kitchen. There's a lot of things in the kitchen.
All right. That's super cool, Manha. Thank you so much. Ali, what do you have? What does it do? What does it do? It goes round and round. All right. And what's the color of your spinner? I want it in complete sentence. In complete sentence.
Black.
It is blue in color. Very good. All right. Yes, Amar. Amar, you need to tell me what it is. Tell everybody. Amar, tell everybody what it is. What is it, sweetheart? It's also a spinner. What does it do, Amar? Tell me, Amar.
Let me say.
No, man. Let Amar. Let
again?
Amar say it. Let Amar say it.
Oh, it's a golden one.
All right, Amar. Tomorrow, next week, you're going to tell me 2 sentences about what does a spinner do. All right. Think about it. All right. Or you want to tell me right now? Shall we move on? All right, Amar, next week you can tell me about it in 2 sentences. All right? Thank you. Super cool. Anybody else got something to show and tell? All right. Should we proceed on? I'll tell what Miss Hina has brought for show and tell. This is... Can everybody see what it is? These are small balls.
We can't see what it is.
These are very tiny balls and they are magnets. They are magnets.
Oh, I know you told about that.
And yes, and I wanted look how it sticks together. Look how it sticks together, and it makes so cool things. Can you see it sticking together? All right. When the spool starts, then I'll show you. Now, can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Small, tiny balls, and they are magnets. They stick together very quickly. All right. Now let's. All right. How was your last week?
Excuse me, Miss Hina. Bilal wants to show you something.
Okay, Bilal. Yes, Bilal. What do you want to show? What is it? Oh, cool! It's a book.
What is it?
4,000 words. Okay, Bilal, tell us what's in the book. Come on, Bilal. Are there pictures? Are there pictures inside the book?
If you have any problem, just call me and don't shut the screen. Okay, Miss Hina, yeah.
Bilal, you want to think about it? All right, show us the pictures. It's a storybook. Wow. Maybe Bilal can read us a story next week. A small story. All right, Bilal? All right. Now, today we are going to talk about inflections. I hope everybody knows about inflections by now.
Yes.
Yes, so we're just going to revise it. And I'm going to ask
But
you
I'm sure
questions.
we forgot.
All right, I'll remind you again. And then I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to write it on your paper and show it to me like this. All right? Done? Let's start. All right, I will share a screen. Okay, can you see a screen? All right, these are some of the rules that we need to follow. All right, so I'm just going to remind you a little bit of the rules.
Miss Hina, I want to tell you something.
I need to mute you right now and nobody's going to unmute. All right,
Okay.
so that you can listen to Miss Hina properly. All right, now we are going to go through some rules. No chat while your teacher is talking. Be on time. You're not going to run here and there. All right. And let me just, okay. Mute yourself. You're not going to unmute yourself until Miss Hina tells you that you can unmute yourself. Everybody's video is turned on. I don't want anybody without a video. All right. I think everybody is prepared because they have their notepad. And your mama or your baba has to be near you so that if something goes wrong, you can always call them. Raise your hands to talk. This is very important, all right? And be respectful and let everybody have a chance, all right? Let's go. We've already done show and tell. Inflections. Adding S, ED, and ing to the verb. I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to ask two people what are nouns and what are verbs. All right? All right. I want Hassan. Unmute yourself, Hassan. Unmute yourself. Tell me what are nouns. Unmute yourself. Nouns are naming words like name.
Place, animal, thing.
Yes. Can you give me two examples of name, place, animal, thing? Only give me two examples.
Lion.
Lion, super, and
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Very good. All right. Now I want Muhammad Ayan to unmute himself and tell me what are verbs. Verbs are
action verbs.
action words. Yes. Can you give me one example of an action word?
Elephant.
Action. What is Muhammad Ayan doing right now? Muhammad Ayan is
Monkey.
a verb. Action words means something you're doing right now. Something that you're doing. What is Muhammad Ayan doing right now? Muhammad Ayan is talking. Is Muhammad Ayan
Yes.
talking right now? Yes. Talking is an action verb.
Yes.
All right. And what is Abiha? Okay. Thank you, Muhammad Ayan. Abiha, tell me one example of an action verb. A word.
Dance.
Dance. Very good. Ariba, give me one example. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Unmute. Yes, Ariba. Yes, Ariba. Hurry up. Give me one example of an action word.
Writing.
Writing. Super. Let's go back to the slide now. So nouns are naming words. Nouns are a dog or a lion or Miss Hina or Manha or Bilal or Umesa, Karachi, Dolman Mall. All these are nouns. And what are verbs? Verbs are action words.
Words.
Drinking, talking, skipping, eating, all these. All right. Now,
Okay.
let's go back to the slide. All right. Okay. The points that we have to remember in inflection is when the noun is singular, we add S to the
S to
verb.
the verb.
Very good. When the noun is singular, we add S to the verb. Let's see the examples. What just hopped? All right. Now, let me just get the spotlight. All right. Tom,
Tom.
what is written? Runs. Tom runs. Okay. Ali jumps. Tom is singular or plural? Tom is singular. Singular. That is why Miss Hina wrote S after run. All right. Ali jumps. Jump is a verb. Jump is a word.
Yes.
Verb. Yes. So we will add S to the verb.
To the
If we
verb.
see that the noun is singular. All right. Now, the cat eats. All right. What is eat? Eat is a verb. Eat is a verb. So now we have to see what is noun. The noun is singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. So when the noun is singular, we add S to the
S
verb.
to
All
the
right?
verb.
Let's read the next sentence. Ishal reads story books. Okay, so what is the action word over here? Read. Now we have to see if Ishal is singular.
Read.
Yes, yes,
Read.
Ariba. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So Ishal is a noun, is singular. So when we know noun is singular, we add S to the verb. Very good. Hamza hops on the bed. So now we need to see if Hamza is plural or singular. Hamza is singular? Singular. And the verb is hop. So when the noun is singular, we will add S to the verb. Super. All right. Let's go to the next slide. Hang on. Okay. The next thing is when the noun is plural. When the noun is plural, we won't add S. All right. When do we add S? When do we add S?
Noun is
You
singular.
can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself if you want to answer. You can unmute yourself.
Hey. Unmute hai to. Mute.
Hassan, talk in English. All right. When the noun is singular, we will add when the S to the verb. All right. Now, when the noun is plural, we won't add S. No S. No S. All right. So when we have to see, when the noun is plural, we will not add S. Now, all right. Who's unmuting? All right. Tom and Jill run. Tom and Jill are two people. Tom and Jill are two people. So when Tom and Jill are two people, we will not add S to the verb. They jump. They is a singular or plural? Show me by putting your finger. Singular or plural? Show me by yes. Abhiya, you're right. They means plural. Hassan, very good. All right. So when there is plural noun, we will not add S and it will be they jump. Next sentence, the cats eat. The cats, how do you know that this is a plural? Is this one cat or two cat or four cats? Show me by putting your fingers. Yes, more than one cat. So when there are more than one thing, then we don't add S. Next sentence, we read storybooks. We. Who's going to tell me by unmuting what does we means? We is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5? We is 1? More than 1. Yes, Manha. Thank you. I can even read from your mouth. All right. So we read storybooks. We means plural. So we are not going to add S to the verb. Fatima and Ali hop on the bed. Fatima and Ali are one people or two people? Show me by putting your fingers. Very good. Two people. Yes. So when there are two people, we will not add S to the verb. Understood? Very good. All right. Now let's move on to the next slide. Okay. When something is happening right now, when something is happening right now, then we add ing to the verb. We add ing. And what are the, yes, and what are the clues that we have to remember? The sentence has is, am, or are in it.
Raining.
Yes.
Raining.
Yes, raining. These three words, is, am, or are, if they are in the sentence, then you will write ing. Yes, Fatima. Can you give me one example of a word that is happening right now? Who is sneezing? Somebody is doing something right now. So sneeze will become sneezing, ing. All right. Now you will understand when I do the examples. Hang on.
Miss,
Yes, Manha. Yes, Manha.
do we have to write?
Not right now. I will ask you, then you will write in the math work. Okay. Tom and Jill. Okay. Tom and Jill are playing. What's the word that is telling us that something is happening right now? What's this word? What's this word where Ms. Hina has underlined the word? Can somebody read the word? Bilal, can you tell me what this word is?
Are.
This word. Are. All right. Tom and Jill are playing. So are is the word that is telling us that something is happening right now. So we are going to write ing. They are jumping. What's the word that's telling us that something is happening right now?
Are.
R. The cat is eating. What's the word over here that's telling us something is happening right now? Is. Okay, now Ayan will answer me, all right? I am reading a storybook. Ayan, what's the word that's telling me that something is happening right now? What's this word? Ayan, speak loudly, beta. You're right, beta. Am, very good. All right. Abiha is painting on the bed. So what is the word that is telling us that something is happening right now? Yes, Ishal. Yes, Ishal. Is. Very good. All right. All right. Now I am giving you. Okay. Now I am giving you 5 minutes to take a rest, and then we will start with our math work. All right. You can go and have water, and you can go to the washroom if you want to, and then come back after 5 minutes very quickly. Okay. And then we are going to start our math work. Done?
Thank
Done?
you.
You can go and have water or go to the washroom and come back quickly. All right. Who's back? Hello, Anaya. How is Anaya? Anaya, unmute yourself. It's been so long I saw you. Can everybody see Anaya? Anaya, unmute yourself. Unmute.
No.
We can only see Anaya's mouth. Yes, now we see Anaya. Anaya, unmute yourself. You're looking so pretty. And how is Omar? Omar, how are you, beta? You're okay? What are you doing nowadays?
Yes. I am thinking about planes.
You're thinking about planes, and I'm missing you a lot.
Yes, because I love planes.
Very good. All right. All right. Shall we start with our math work?
Yes.
Ready? All right. You can unmute yourself, but you have to raise your hand if you want to say something. All right. We're going to review tens and ones. Right. What are tens and what are ones?
What are tens and
Okay. Is our ones? All right. Ali, put on your video. Ali, put on your video.
With zeros are ones.
The numbers that start with 0 till what number?
Tens.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now can you hear me?
Oh.
Mohammed Ayan, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Hassan, can you hear me, beta?
I can't hear you.
Beta, you have to make sure that your headphone is working. All right. So all the numbers that are starting from 0 till 9 are called ones. What are they called?
Ones.
And all the numbers that are starting from 10 till
Wait.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 50, 60, 70, 80, till 99. They are called tens. All right. So tell me, can you see this?
Okay.
What is this number?
43.
Well, not 43. Let me just make it a little bit more dark. It's 98. It's what number? 98. So what are the ones? What are the ones? What has Miss Hina told you? Always to write.
Miss.
These are tens and these are
What do you need to ask?
Hassan. Where is Hassan? Where did Hassan go?
Yes.
I can't see Hassan.
Would you miss
All right.
Miss, what do we have to write?
No, you tell me 98. What is 8? Is 8 tens or ones?
And
Is 8 ones?
we have to write
Ones. No, I'm just asking you right now. You're going to tell me later. What are ones? This 8 or 8? And what are tens?
9.
9. Very good. Now everybody write number 78. Write it on your copy and show me where are the tens and where are the ones.
I wrote 78.
All right, show me on the screen and tell me where the tens and where the ones. Where are you supposed to write the ones and where are you supposed to write the twos? Oh, all right. Ariba, I can't see it properly. I think you'll have to write it a little bit bigger. Show it to me quickly. Yes. Haris, I can't see. All right. Yes, Haris. Perfect. All right. Yes, Ishal. Good, good. Ali, show me. Show me, Ali. Ali, show it on the screen. On the screen. Hassan, can you hear me now? All
You see me, Miss Hina?
Yes, sweetheart, I can see you.
Can I want to tell you something?
Yes, you can
I
see it.
have a khala. Hina khala.
Before
Have a
hanging
Hina khala? All right. All right. We were at tens and ones. Now I want you to write number 12 on your copy. Write it so dark so that I can see it in the screen. And then mark where the tens and the ones are. Write number 12. Write number 12. Just the number 12. Just the number 12. And then tell me where are tens and where are ones. Show me.
I've written.
I wrote it.
I've written.
Very good.
I wrote it too.
Very good. Very good, Manha. Very good, Haris.
Sorry.
Show me, Hassan.
You have to like this way.
Super job, Hassan. Muhammad Ayan, show me.
She also
Super job. Very good. Ariba. Very good. Awesome. Awesome. Ali, show me.
She said do it.
Very good. I've done it. Ali, done it. You've already done it. All right. Now let's move on to the next. All right. Now, what is written on the screen? What is written on the screen?
9 tens and 7
7
ones.
9 tens and 7 ones. So I'm going to write it and you're going to tell me if Miss Hina is right or wrong. All right. 9, 7, tens, ones. Is Miss Hina right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Right.
Super. Miss Hina
Ones
is
will
wrong.
be in 7 and tens will be in
Be over here.
Yes, tens and ones. Yes.
9 tens and 7 ones.
Very good, very good. All right, now we move on to the
97.
next one. All right, hang on. Okay.
Did we have to write that? Did I miss
No,
it?
you're just going to tell me if Miss Hina is right or wrong. All right. Let me just get my marker. All right. Okay. 8 tens and 5 ones. Am I right or wrong?
Wrong.
Am I right or
She
wrong?
right.
8
You
tens
are.
and
Wrong.
5
Wrong.
ones. Bilal, is Miss Hina right or wrong?
Right.
Very good, Bilal. Very
You're
good.
wrong because
Yes.
it's tens of ones.
I know. So 8 tens and
Why
5
did you
ones.
wrong?
So what will come on top of 8? What will come on top of 8?
I need to do exercise.
Tens.
T, tens. And what will come on top of 5?
Ones.
1. Super. I've got brilliant students. Awesome. All right. Now, let me move forward. And so you're perfect in all these things. How many bars of
10 minus
how many
20
bars do we have?
total.
Count it, count it, count it.
20.
Oh, 60 minus
Parents
20.
are not supposed to help. All right.
Do
How
it.
many bars do we have? There's a 1,
2 left.
2,
Miss, is it
3,
4 left.
4, 5, 6.
Six.
So is it 6 or is it 60?
4 is the answer.
Is
60.
it 6 or is it 60?
not 16?
40 tens.
This is 160. Yes. Because it's not once, it's a bar. I'll get my spotlight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1 bar of 10. So
The
it's
answer
6.
is 4.
Now we have to minus 20. How am I going to minus 20? Am I going to count
The
1, 2,
answer is
3,
4.
4, 5 like this?
No.
I already know that 1 bar is 10. So I will cancel how many bars? Start.
4
How many
bars.
will I cancel?
64 minus 10.
4 bars.
Minus, yes, minus Mana.
Now,
Ow.
I will
4
cut
bars.
1 bar. I will cut 2 bars. So I know 2 bars is 20. 2 bars make 20. So how many bars are left?
4.
1,
4.
2, 3, 4. 4 bars are left.
I was doing this the whole time.
The whole time, wow, Ayan. So it's 40. 6 tens minus 20 tens make 4 tens.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't write it with a mouse.
They're like
I will show
spoons
it. I
spread
will
out
show it to
or
you.
something.
Hang on.
Like,
I will
what
show it
happened?
to you
You have to know.
with a whiteboard.
Hey, what happened?
Hang on. All right. Let me just take the pen. Okay. Now, do you remember Miss Hina used to tell you always write PO first before you are doing your plus or minus?
Yes. Yes.
Remember?
We remember it.
Okay, so right now we are going to do horizontal. We are going to do horizontal sums, and I'm going to write 3, 9
Wait.
plus. You can also write it if you want to.
And you can also write it.
2,
I don't need to write.
3 equals. All right. Now I will ask you. Let me take a nice color. Okay, I'll just take black. Okay. What number are we supposed to plus first?
23 को count.
Am I supposed to plus tens and tens, or am I supposed to plus ones and ones first?
Ones and ones.
Ones and ones first. So I will plus ones and ones. So 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. What in plus sum?
This answer.
What number do I put in my head?
Look,
What number do I put in my head? The bigger number or the smaller number in plus?
49 plus 48.
I am going to put the bigger
Yeah.
number in my head.
I solved this.
Alright, hang on. Don't tell me the answer. Don't tell me the answer right now. Let everybody
52.
solve it.
Answer is 52.
Don't tell me the answer, please. 9 plus 3 is 9 in my head, 3 finger out. 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So I will put 1 over here, that's the carry sum,
Yeah, look.
and 2 under the 1. All right.
Look
Now
over
we are going to
here.
do tens first. 3 plus 2. What number am I going to put in my head?
3 plus 2.
3 in my head, 2 finger out. 3, 4, 5. But am I going to write 5 over here, or should we not forget this one that was carried over here? 5 plus 1 makes 6.
I'm done.
So the answer is
The answer is 62. I was.
62. Good, good, good. Very good. All right. Now, all right. I'm giving you one number again. I'm giving you another number. But first write tens and ones. Tens, ones, tens,
I shouldn't be writing for
One.
numbers.
tens, one.
You need
Two
to ingredient of
Let me
writing.
give you a number. 6, 3
Quickly write it now.
plus
Hand to hold the paper so that you can write it.
4 equals. Okay, what's the first thing that we are going to do? We are going to add tens or we are going to add ones?
What do we? Ones.
Ones.
Ones first. So 3 plus 4. What number am I going to put in my head? The bigger number or the smaller number in plus? In plus, we always put the bigger number in the head. All right. So 4 in my head, 3 finger out. 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7 under ones. Now the next step that I'm going to do is plus the tens and the tens. All right. 6 plus 2. So 6 in my head, because in plus we put the bigger number in the head. 6 in my head, 2 finger out. 6, 7, 8. How many of you got 87 as the answer? Hang on.
Miss, can you repeat?
All right. We are going to plus 6 and 2. All right. So what number am I going to put in my head? The bigger number or the smaller number? Who said, can you repeat? Please tell me, am I supposed to put the bigger number in my head or the smaller number? I'm supposed to put the bigger number in my head and count the smaller number on the finger. 6 in my head, 7 and 8. So since we were doing the tens, I'm going to put it under tens. How many of you got the answer 87 the same way as Miss Hina? Ali, did you get it? Unmute yourself now.
I did.
You got it? Mohammad Ayan, did you get it? Anaya, is Anaya here? Anaya is without the video. Beta, why are you without the video? Abiha, did you get it? Show me. Very good. In the next class, we will do the vertical sums. All right? Or you want to do the vertical sums quickly in 5 minutes?
Next week.
Quickly for 5 minutes.
Give me a thumbs up if you want 5 more minutes of vertical, or I'll do it next week.
I do.
Yes, I
Give
do.
me a
I
thumbs
do.
up. Everybody? Okay, we'll just take 5 more minutes and then the class is finished. All right, then you're free to go and play. All
Or
right?
in the tablet.
Or in the tablet. But very good, Manha. Very good.
Tablet no
Okay,
mobile.
now we're going to do vertical sums. Now we're going to do vertical sums. And please, everybody, you need to be quiet. Write it quickly. Write it. 10, 1.
Okay.
Don't need to rock.
I write it.
Okay.
Written. I've written.
Thank you, Ayan. 3, 4, 2, plus. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
I'm coming.
Miss Hina,
Hang on, beta, I was muting. It was too much of noise. All right.
God bless. Bless.
Please don't unmute. Please don't unmute.
In my mind.
All right. Now, 3 in my mind, 2 finger out. 3, 4, 5. Will I be writing 5 under 10s or under 1s? I'm doing 1s, so I will also write under 1. So 5 will come over here. All right. Now the next step is the 10s. We always, we are always going to do the 1s first. And then we are going to go on to the 10s. Now, 6 plus 4. What number am I going to put in my head? 4 or 6?
6.
6, the bigger number in the head. It's in my head and 4 finger out. What comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 105.
I told you the answer was 1.
Okay, now copy this and you're going to show me in the next class. Copy this sums in your
Wait a
copy.
second. Make
This
this
in the next class. 8, 6, 1. And parents are not supposed to help. All right, this is your homework. You're only going to do it all by yourself. Remember, bigger number in your head and bigger number on your finger.
But what is this second number? We can't.
Now, see you next week, and whatever you are going to learn in the weekend, if you have any problem, write it in your copy. So in the next class, I can explain you that. Dan, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you understood. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.